Okay, folks, this is the Introducing Health tutorial. So we're using a prefab for, or many of us may be using prefabs. So these asteroids, which are the same ones that we used in the first tutorial, are the prefabs. This one here is not a prefab, and so I'm going to be making some of the changes that it's suggesting to that. Also, we haven't made the ship a polygon collider yet, so we need to add that component, a polygon collider, to the ship. Now that we've done that, when I press play, I should be able to run into an asteroid. And run into another asteroid. We also need to add the health system to the ship. These prefab asteroids have the health modifier on it, but our ship doesn't have a health system on it. We're going to go to scripts, attributes, and we're going to take the health system attribute and we're going to drop it on our spaceship. And now when I press play, if I run into something, it's going to be tracking that health, but it's not showing it to us on screen. This asteroid, however, doesn't have our modify health attribute, so I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop it. There we go. So now all of these asteroids should be modifying the health. I can go to our prefabs and take the user interface and drop it into the scene. Now when I press play, we've got health, we've got score. When I run into an asteroid, nothing's happening. Previously, when we did this tutorial, something happened. So in this tutorial, it hasn't asked us to change the tag for the spaceship yet to player. By changing it to player, it is telling Unity to look out for this object, and whenever this object collects something or whenever this object has its health change, the UI is understanding that that's the health that it's tracking. So now if I press play, I run into that. That one works twice. Let's see about this one. And now we get our game over script. Okay. I think that is the entirety of, that is the entirety of our Introducing Health tutorial.